What's up YouTube, it's hip-hop channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about legendary rappers Tony Yayo, Uncle Murda and DJ Premier. Today I will show you guys footage of Tony Yayo and Uncle Murda. They reunited with DJ Premier in London at Wireless Festival, so let's check this out video, come on.
It doesn't matter where we are, any country, we connect up. You know that, you know the vibe.
Rest in peace, Gangstar.
Yeah,
Whoa,
love you,
big
bro.
homie. You know
Whoa, you know the vibe.
Brooklyn,
BQE.
yeah.
Man, shout out to legendary rappers Tony Yayo, Uncle Murda and the legendary DJ Premier, and rest in peace Guru. So today guys we have also another topic, and our next topic is about Lil Wayne and Jay-Z. Weezy revealed that he stopped writing down lyrics after learning that Jay-Z strictly freestyled without a pen and paper. During a recent interview on the Pivot podcast on Tuesday, Weezy speaks about this interesting topic, so let's check this out video, come on.
Cause I like Biggie, love Biggie.
Right.
You know what I mean? Love Jay the Kiss, love all that but Jay.
I know they say he never wrote. He don't write. He don't write nothing. Did that inspire you? Cause were you always that way?
When I heard it, when I heard that, the moment I heard it, I stopped. You can ask him, boy. The moment I heard that nigga Jay-Z don't write no more.
Right, just like that.
We went in the studio in Raj Smooth studio.
Imagine being in the Songwriters Hall of Fame and never actually writing. Jay-Z's GOAT, man. Also, Lil Wayne is GOAT too. So, it was all guys. Thanks for watching. It's hip-hop channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel. Also, get the notification bells. And don't forget to visit website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.